Unlock your online potential with Squarespace, the intuitive platform that makes building a professional website as easy as a few clicks. First, head over to squarespace.com and click Get Started. You'll have a choice to explore templates or start with a blank canvas for beginners. Diving into our expertly designed templates is a fantastic way to kickstart your journey. Browse through categories like portfolios, blogs, online stores, and more. Find a template that resonates with your vision. Once you've selected one, click Start with this design. Welcome to the Squarespace editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left, you'll see your main navigation menu. Here's where you'll manage your site's pages, design, settings, and more. Let's start with your pages. Click Pages. To see your existing site structure, you can add new pages, delete existing ones, and rearrange them by simply dragging and dropping. To add content, hover over a section and click the plus icon to add block. Squarespace offers a wide variety of blocks, including text, images, galleries, videos, buttons, and forms. Simply drag and drop the block you need into your layout. Editing text is as simple as clicking on it. A formatting toolbar will appear, allowing you to change fonts, sizes, colors, and more, just like in a word processor. For the overall look of your website, head to Design. Here, you can adjust your site styles, like fonts and colors, to perfectly match your brand. Experiment with different color palettes and font pairings until you achieve that perfect aesthetic. Remember to always check how your website looks on different devices. Squarespace automatically makes your site responsive, but previews are essential to ensure everything is perfect for every visitor. Once you're happy with your design, you'll want to connect a domain and consider your subscription. Squarespace makes this straightforward through the settings menu. Building your dream website is now within reach.